Okay, so she's eating the food right now. I'm gonna tie her up when feeding the puppies because she's really greedy. There. I tied her up. Now I'm gonna bring the puppies their food. Puppy food. Okay, the puppies are, looks like they're a little hot from, even though we have a fan, they're still pretty hot. So I'm gonna spray them with some water. They actually like it. It's mist and it's gonna cool them down. They have a fan and cold rocks, like soft ones to sleep on. Cool them down a little bit. Looks like they like it. Okay, it looks like I'm not spraying them and they're nice and wet, and now this fan is blowing some air on them and they're cooling off. Sorry, not even that hot today, but still cool them down because, you know, they got long furred coats. But where's the other two puppies? I need to find them. Oh, I see one over there sleeping. One of them is sleeping over there. And where's the small one? I need to find the small one. Where did it go? There's nowhere to be found. Where did the small puppy go? Oh, I see it. It's right next to the big one. There's two of them in there. Ah, there you are. You guys like to cool down in the dirt? Looks like you like it there. Here you go. Here you go, guys. There you go. Go play with some toys and relax. And sit. Sit, girl. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Go to your babies. Oh, she goes right to the food. Then are your babies in there? Are your babies in there? Yes, they are. Alright, thanks for watching.